was a dino, big and tall, with tiny arms and a belly so small. He stomped through jungles green and wide with heavy steps and giant pride. But something tickled in his nose, a wiggly, jiggly, itchy pose.
He sniffed once, he sniffed twice. Oh no, he said, this isn't nice.
The birds flew off, the monkeys ran, the jungle whispered, hide if you can.
His nose went twitch, twitch, twitch. He flew up without a switch.
Ah, he leaned back slow, the wind began to wildly blow. Trees shook left and right, clouds went spinning in the sky, even mountains jumped up high. Then he smiled with watery eyes. Excuse me,
Under sunny skies.